Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDIN, and we will take a look at the daily time frame. This one should look pretty familiar if you follow our videos because we just did it a couple days ago. In fact, we did it after this day right here, and then you can see Thursday had a nice green day there, and then today absolutely exploded again up to new highs, and really just I think is really starting to show up on people's radars. Before today, I think it was more in ninja mode where it was quietly making these moves, but definitely after today, a lot more people are starting to take notice of it. So it'll be interesting to see how this move translates into next week with more and more eyeballs getting on it. So want to get things updated, map out some new supports and resistance levels. One thing for sure, after a move like this, a lot of the resistances have now been converted into supports, so that's always a good thing. So we'll start off there. The newest level of resistance on the scene is just simply the high from over here when this original nice move happened, and this was at 0058, and because the price is now closed above it, this has turned into a level of support right there. So 0058 is, like I said, the newest level of support. Another new level of support, and one that's a little more critical and important for the chart, is going to be right around here. And the reason I say right around there is because, as I'll show, it's not an exact area, but there's quite a bit of price history that bounces right around this area. Just so we can put a numerical value to it, we'll call it 005. But if you go back through the history, you can see there acted as resistance, acted as resistance, acted as resistance, and then when the price was able to finally gap above it, you can see the results of that. So 005 will definitely be another key level of support. So 0058, 005 will be those two levels of support you'll want to keep an eye on. Now for the fun stuff, where are the newest levels of resistance? Well, now that the price has gotten up above the James Bond 007 level, lots of more room to potentially get running here. The nearest term resistance level is going to be right here, and that's taken from way back here on November 27th. This high was at 008, so this will be the next level of resistance. And then after 008, really nothing until you could call it up there at 0095, maybe somewhere right around 009. And these are just all simply coming from looking from where these previous highs were. So case in point, after the 0079, 008, really not looking at anything until up in the nines, and then after that we'll just have to scrunch up the chart so we can look further back into the history. But point being, nice looking chart and has lots of headway to run, especially if this is just the beginning of momentum. If it does decide to consolidate and go sideways a little bit, these are going to be the two support levels that you'll want to keep close eyes on. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there and sign up. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and make an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of teaching and education. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was MDIN. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.